Hi, I'm Andrew, a BDR from Uberall, and today I wanted to ask you a question. Want to get your business in the coveted Google 3-pack? Here is how to make that happen. Number one, optimize your Google business profile. This is your key to local visibility. Make sure your business information, like your name, address, and phone number, is accurate and consistent everywhere. Choose the right categories, add attributes, and don't forget to upload high-quality photos. Number two, focus on customer reviews. They're crucial for your ranking and for building trust with potential customers. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews and make sure you respond to all feedback, whether it's positive or negative. Number three, improve your local citations. Get your business listed in all relevant directories and regularly check that your information is accurate. The more consistent your citations, the better Google will trust your business. Number four, optimize for local keywords. Think about what your customers are searching for, like best bakery in San Francisco, and use those keywords throughout your website and content to boost your local relevance. Number five, build local backlinks. Connect with other local businesses and media outlets to get your business featured on their sites. This shows Google that you're a trusted player in your community. And finally, number six, don't overlook your website's user experience. Make sure your site is mobile-friendly, fast, and easy to navigate. A great website not only helps with rankings, but also keeps customers engaged. By following these strategies, you're well on your way to securing a spot in the Google 3-pack. Start implementing them today and watch your local visibility soar.